Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Raquel Ann. Keep watching till the end and I hope you will learn one or two things. So today I'm going to show you how to do a very detailed, simple eyebrow routine that is very chic and beautiful and easy. So first thing, we're going to comb our eyebrows in an upward manner. And this kind of just keeps them in their form. And as you can see, my eyebrows are very sparse and thin. So it's easier to do mine because, well, there are fewer. So first thing you're going to want to do is outline your eyebrows and in their natural shape. So first thing, draw an outline of the bottom part and of the top part. You just want kind of like a foundation. This is basically like a foundation for your eyebrows. Yeah, you don't want the tail to be too long. You don't want a cat's tail, although for some people, well, some people like extending their tail, the eyebrow tail, but well, for me, I don't like really extending it that much further than it's supposed to be. So yeah, after you do that to both eyebrows, we will start by filling them in. And it reminds me that there's a video in YouTube about the evolution of eyebrows. I don't really know the title, but it shows how eyebrows have been evolving, how people have been doing their eyebrows from a very long time ago. And there's this one part that they used to just draw a line, just one straight line with a black pencil. And I couldn't help but think how easy they had it. Because I still find it funny though, but I think I'd like to do that kind of makeup that our mothers used to do one day, with that small dot somewhere on the cheek, and you know, a black eye pencil that has been outlined on the lip. Well, okay, maybe soon. So after you do the small strokes on the eyebrows, we are done with that. But make sure at the edge and at the arc of the eyebrows, the strokes are a bit more darker and stronger. But as you go to the inner part of the eyebrow, you just use a light hand in drawing the strokes, because you want the transition to be natural and not like you have cartoon eyebrows that have just been plastered on your face. Yeah, so right now the eyebrows are looking pretty good, but we are not finished yet. We have to clean them up so that the eyebrows look chic and refined and good. So we're going to take our concealer and start outlining from the bottom part, just cleaning up our eyebrows basically from the bottom part. And you just follow how you've outlined your eyebrows all the way. And when I was starting out doing makeup, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I found one technique to be particularly easy for me. And that technique was, I used to first outline my eyebrows, not with eye pencil or with whichever thing. I used to outline my eyebrows with concealer first. So I just outline my eyebrows with concealer just like the way I'm doing here. Then I'd go filling in the middle parts, just like coloring inside the box. Yeah, and I do that and they come out really good. But for some people it's hard, for others it's easier. So if you want me to do a tutorial on that, you can comment or tell me and I'll be more than glad to do it. So I'm going to use this brush, and this brush will serve the purpose of blending out the concealer. And I'm not just blending it out, I'm also just kind of just pressing it into my skin while blending it out, and it will just show a better look than just wiping it off or using a beauty blender. Although some people use beauty blenders, but I prefer using a brush because it gets into the edges and it does a better job than a beauty blender. Also, for some people, they don't like using concealer on the top part of the brow. They actually prefer using either a darker concealer or not using concealer at all. But if you use a light concealer, make sure you go in with a flat brush and just go into the edges, trying to look if you've left any concealer hanging out there so that it does not look awkward. And with the product left in the concealer, don't add any more product. We're going to just clean out the inner part of the brow, give it some short strokes to make it look natural. And you can see the strokes that I'm doing are going upwards, not sideways. And finish it all up with combing with a spoolie or an old toothbrush. Like I said, no one will judge you as long as it's something that can comb. And some set it with a brow gel, whatever you have. If you don't have it, still okay. I actually saw someone using hair gel on the brow. I don't know how good it is, but anyway. So as you can see in this picture, in this video, one side is done and the other part has not been cleaned out by a concealer. So you can see the difference. So make sure you always clean out your brows with a concealer. It just makes it come out better. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll put up more videos. Thank you. Bye.